You know what, guys? Why I just called Paulo Cruzada abnormal? For me, I will never forgive the person that what he just messed at, even for what happened to Teacher May. Paulo Cruzada, just like I said before, Teacher May is already retired. If you're still harassing Teacher May, you know you should never be. You should be wish that you never harass Teacher May. Oh, you should not wish that I said that you're going to mess at her cousins or relatives. Her relatives and her cousins are lawyer. Oh, what are you gonna say to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? For you, Paulo Cruzada, you need to learn your lesson. You need to stop what you're doing to anybody or other people that you're harassing at. Remember, as I'm saying, Teacher May is already retired. I've been talked that with Clarence Barredo. I said, oh, at the time I was talking with Clarence Barredo. I said to him in Messenger, retired na nga po si Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, hindi siya po nagtuturo sa ngayon. Oh, she's already retired. She's having spent bonding with time with her with her cousins and relatives, Isabella and her niece, and even that her nephew Rafael. Oh, Rafael Tiburcio, that was a friend of Jetro Lopez. I still remember Rafael. Oh, Paulo Cruzada. I'm ashamed to yourself. I'm ashamed to Teacher May. She's your teacher, and then you want to hostage at her. You want to hostage everybody, even Lorraine Shook. Paulo Cruzada, your reflection anyway, it has to be learn your lesson. Now you're being act yourself look abnormal together with your allies, Gino Sedjo, Jeffrey Sedjo, Jiba Casandil. Is that are four of you are being yourself act of normal to harass Joseph Maspinas, Teacher May, even the others, even Teacher Kel, Teacher Riza, Jessa, or Teacher Marisa, Teacher Mirna, Teacher Chris, and even in the group chat, even Teacher Chin Busmante, Teacher Gio Malana, who was still in the US, oh, even Teacher Riza, I know her, she was still in the US also. Oh, it's not really good to bully people. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, you should never mess at other teachers in CDIFI. When I was told by Ronald Rebena at this time, nakakahiya na po. Oh, puro kahiyaan ng kagagawan mo, Paulo Cruzada. Very shameless. Oh, if Teacher May was there, she will get angry at you. Oh, you know that, Paulo Cruzada. For me, you threatened to hostage Lorraine Shook. You threatened to hostage Teacher May. You want to hostage at the Carousel production of Miss Earth in Mandaluyong. Even in the house of Teacher May in Cainta Rizal. Paulo Cruzada, If I contact with my friends, even the Spedmotics, even Franco Cagayat, Bill Galang, Jens Manaid, and Alfred Estabra, they will use a pellet gun. Oh, if I chat Franco Cagayat, if I tell to him, sagasaan mo na yan ang hayupak na yan si Paulo Cruzada. Oh, just like I said, wasak ang muka ni Paulo Cruzada. You know what was Josh Gozo said? Oh, he said it in the time, barilin ko si Paulo Cruzada ng shotgun. Oh, now you see, people are angry at you, Paulo Cruzada. Puro ka lang kahiyan mo ng kagagawan mo, Paulo Cruzada. Why was uh, Clarence Barredo was very angry at you? Oh, I say again, bakit galit si Clarence Barredo sa'yo, Paulo Cruzada? Let me guess it straight. He is very angry at you that you are messing the person that you do not know who you think you are. And you're the one who's messing in the first place. Even Teacher May, she doesn't do anything to you. You're still harassing her. I say again, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, inaano ka ba ni Teacher May? I just wanna explain. Oh, I just wanna explain, Paulo Cruzada, ha? What does Teacher May wants to bully a person that she doesn't do anything to you, ha? You know, let me get this straight, Paulo Cruzada. If you don't want to realize, inaano ka ba ni Teacher May? Ah, what is your problem to bully Teacher May that she doesn't do anything to you? For me, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May is very kind at me. Oh, that time, 2015, before my birthday, I request Teacher Andrea to invite Teacher Marvel in my birthday in August 18, 2015, when I was 18 years old. I announced myself. I talked with Teacher May. Oh, if she create invitation. No, for almost decades I never celebrate birthday from the past, from Teacher Jessa or to to Teacher Lendel, Teacher Joy, up to Teacher Joy until Teacher May. Oh, in 2015, I talked with Teacher May. Oh, I will celebrate my birthday in CDIF in school. Oh, in 18. Oh, because I know there's James CEO, my good friend in Condo in Stellar Place. Oh, the friend of Ilem. Oh, um, recently, my invitation anyway, Korean. Oh, because I want to buy a PS4, PS3 game, so that home front. Oh, it's North Koreans. So I met the North Koreans. So you know, Paulo Cruzada, you need to respect Teacher May. Otherwise, she will never forgive you anyway. you know, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you are just like Francis Leo Marcos, and I am also Makagago. I am also Jason. No? You know, I will not going to forgive you, Paulo Cruzada. You're saying about like for example, puro ganyan, ganyan, puro ganyan. Like what was that he said before? Hubarin kong saplot mo, Shania Kiana, or even to Paula Colin Nunez. You don't have really ashamed of yourself, Paulo Cruzada.